Hi viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a new video for you. In this video, I'm going to show you wall partition design ideas for your home. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Please like and share this video with your friends and also subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. Dear viewers, thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Please share this video with your friends and also subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to receive my latest videos. Thank you.